Do you like eating mango and sticky rice? And you're like, how do I make this sticky rice for it to be yummy and delicious? So you probably went online and you did some research and you found out, oh my god, that seems pretty complicated to cook with a basket.
Hey guys, welcome back to
What the Food.
It's a place where we share the love of food and culture.
Yes, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe for more yummy recipes. So today, John is going to show the traditional method and I'm going to show you guys how to cook sticky rice with a rice cooker so that you guys can decide if you want to get a steamer or not.
Yes. For the traditional way, we're going to fill the pot with some water and set it aside. And we're going to take our sticky rice that's been soaked in water for about 4 hours now and rinse it until the water runs clear and pour it into our bamboo steamer. Place the bamboo steamer on the pot and steam it for about 30 minutes before flipping the rice to the other side.
So with the rice cooker method, the good thing about it is you don't have to soak the rice overnight, but make sure you wash and rinse them thoroughly. Then you want to add water just enough to cover the sticky rice. After that, you can just pop it right back to the rice cooker. You can press the button and wait. So you can steam them for about 30 minutes.
And now we're going to flip the rice to the other side and steam it for another 20 minutes so that it cooks evenly through.
With the rice cooker, you want to pop it open, mix the rice a little bit, then you want to close the lid and let it steam for a little longer. So we finished making the sticky rice. As you can see in front of you, we have this side which is made with the rice cooker.
And then this side here we have made the traditional way with the bamboo steamer.
Yeah, so with the rice cooker, as you can see, the grain is a little mushier than the other one because you can see the texture still remains in the traditional way.
Right. But I think that the way that Perry did it with the rice cooker is a great option for people who are on a time constraint. Especially people who want sticky rice all of a sudden and don't have the 4 hours to overnight to soak it in water because it's a very quick method and it still yields pretty great results.
Right, and
tasty.
For some desserts, if it's a little mushier, that's okay too. But for the mango sticky rice, sometimes people like to have that texture and people like it to be chewy. So we will say that use the traditional method. But regardless, if you, like Johnny said earlier, if you don't have time, definitely use the rice cooker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're making sticky rice, and you're gonna have it in 30 minutes. So I think that's a great steal. Hey guys, well I hope you guys liked the video of showing us 2 different methods to steam sticky rice. Please let us know in a comment below which way you prefer.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And let us know how it turns out.
Yes.
Okay, so until next time, we'll see you. Bye.
Bye. Where is it?
I don't know. It's flying. Oh, it's a freaking fly. It's okay. I will stab it later.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. ส่งมันไปนรกเดี๋ยวนี้
Freaking fly! It's like flying. Alright, I'll get that later.
You're playing around.